Okay. Yeah, the title is not right, but it's not a problem. Then what I will do today is I will present to you Startup.be first, and then a bunch of initiatives in Belgium supporting startups that are members of our organization. Then what we do as startup, doesn't it move? Ah, yeah, it moves. Okay. We are a consortium then of 75 organizations supporting tech entrepreneurs in Belgium. And it's really difficult for a tech entrepreneur today to know where to go, difference between accelerators, incubators, and so on. You see many of them. At the end of the presentation, I will explain to you what an entrepreneur can find in Belgium to help him. Then from Flanders to Walloon to Brussels, we really try to make the glue to connect the dots between an entrepreneurs, investors, can be mentors and so on, so that we have like more better startups in Belgium. Then I think that you saw this morning Toon van Acht, who is one of the leaders at Startup.be, and it's our website where we really try to connect all the people from the ecosystem in Belgium. There is a new website that we launched a few days ago. Also, what we do is that we make 2 events a year. The first one is Tech Startup Day, more than 900 people that can come together and have access to the best mentors, best investors in the country. And also we organize Fail Forward, which is an initiative to say to entrepreneurs, it can be in big data and other, it's not a problem to fail. We take the example of the most successful people who failed in Belgium and that succeed just after. The third part of our organization is going global. Then what we do, we go to 12 conferences, tech conferences all around the world, mostly in Europe and North America, and we bring 100 startups a year on these different conferences. Then a message that you need to remember is not that they need expertise, but really mentorship from entrepreneurs, from people that understand what they have. And then what we try to give to the startups is really to give them a map to find all the initiative, what is the more relevant initiative for them in Belgium. And I will now explain to you the different initiative, because there are like many words. The first things for entrepreneurs, most of the time, they go out of university, but most of the university today provide also programs for the entrepreneurs. It can be Solve Entrepreneurs, Vlerik, IMIND, that you came from. In accelerators, then there is 2 big differences between this slide and the next one. Accelerators, they are little program of 3 or 8 months, really intensive for the entrepreneurs, and they have sometimes physical space, sometimes not. An incubator, it's more like a physical space, and they had some services, and you have all around Belgium. It can be space like WSL, like it can be in Wallonia or ICAP and so on. Then you have more space focus. You have a lot of also communities, and communities you have Argoia when you can go, Web Mission that can help startups to go abroad too, Beta Group which is the most famous initiative in Belgium that gather all the tech entrepreneurs. And also a lot of public agencies that can help the entrepreneurs. It can be CETIC, it can be Impulse, it can be Founders Investment and Trade to help them to go abroad. We have many other partners in the cities. And the last step maybe, I think really it's the last step, is trying the entrepreneurs to find the best investor that can suit them. Then yeah, AXA is not there because they are not partner yet of Startup.be, but I expect they to be soon. And also to them to connect the entrepreneurs with the best, not mentors, but then experts in different domains to help them to go abroad or to have a better sales pitch and so on. That's really important. Then as we see, there is really a linear approach for the startups today, and we see more at the ideation, more the accelerators and incubators, and at the scale-up, more the agencies and all the investors that really need to be at the end of the session. 2 last slides to tell you that Startup.be is members of an organization of 18 accelerators or 12 accelerators. Then we can make connection between them, and also our network approach, then going with startups abroad, what we do is we prepare them here in Belgium with a lot of tools, and then we accompany them to trade shows and so on. Thank you.
Excellent. Bravo.